Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can put song on Instagram Note or how you can fix Instagram Note music not showing on your device. In order to do this procedure, first thing first, check your internet connection and then open up your Instagram application. Now first of all, let me show you how you can actually put song into your Instagram Note. So recently Instagram has updated a cool feature as you can add a note or music and whatever. So in order to use that feature or to access the feature, click on the plus icon located right on top. Right on top, you can just share a thought, meaning that you can just type in randomly whatever you're feeling. After that, in order to add music, you can see there's a music icon located right at the bottom. Now you'll need to select the music that you want to add. After that, if you're sure about it, select the part tick icon located right at the bottom and then click on the share button if you're sure about it. Now the music has been added. Even if you want to delete it, click on the delete note button. Now if you're unable to see the music icon on your Instagram, so in order to fix it, what you'll need to do is first thing you'll need to update your application. In order to update, go to your Play Store and on the search box type in Instagram. After that, you'll be able to see update or open button. If you see update, which means that the app needs to be updated, and after updating you might be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, you can also clear cache as well as storage. For that, you need to long press on your Instagram application, go to app info icon. This is gonna direct you to the app info page. Over here, click on storage or cache. So here you need to click on clear cache as well as clear storage. If you know your information, only then click on clear storage. Otherwise, do not tap on this, as you'll not be able to recover your account if you don't know your info. This might be able to fix the issue. If none of these seems to be working, then you can just simply uninstall the application and reinstall it and restart your device, and this might be able to fix the issue all at once. However, sometimes this particular feature might also not be available in some reasons, so that might be one of the major issues. So you need to always check the information on the website, only then begin with this procedure. So in this way you can put a music on Instagram Notes or you can fix Instagram Note music not showing on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.